Welcome back, everyone. Jim here. Well, it's the 29th of January, and it's about 10 degrees outside. The wind is picking up, and we're supposed to have a blizzard today. This is the very beginning of the storm right now. The wind is picking up, and in order to have a blizzard, you're going to have freezing temperatures, of course, and 30 miles an hour sustained wind or frequent gusts. And I can tell you the wind is starting to pick up. It's about 7:30 in the morning, and like I said, we're just now starting to snow. By 10 o'clock it should be snowing pretty good. They're expecting, I think they're saying 12 to 18 inches plus, depending, because the wind's going to be blowing. It's going to be drifting. I might have to go out a couple times to plow this time because there'll be so much snow. It is cold out, there's no doubt about that. I'm not sure if you can hear the wind blowing. It's going to be a doozy. We haven't had a blizzard in, I don't know, 4 years or so. And so we'll see how this is. Fortunately, it's a sad day. Most people are home, hunkered down. And, oh yeah, I can feel the gusty wind now. It's going to be a good one. Hope we don't lose our power. I do have a generator, so I guess if I lose the power, we'll manage. So anyway, I'll be back. She's still blowing like crazy outside. Still high wind. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Listen to that wind. Still about 10 degrees out, snowing like crazy. Wow. Alright, well, I'll come back in a while. Alright, so we're in the garage. I don't know if Linda's opened the door yet or not. We'll see how much snow we got. Well, I guess it drifted up there a little bit. It's all over the door, and I got a drift right in front of the garage. Yep, she drifted a little bit. So I guess I got to do a little shoveling before I can even get to the truck. Alright, I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so it looks like I got about a 2-foot drift right in front of the garage door. And quite a winter landscape today. Wind's blowing a little bit. It's about 7 degrees Sunday, so I guess I'll have to start digging the truck out. This storm's a real pisser. Well, at least the plow's not froze in, so I'm going to start plowing here in a few minutes. Alright, so that's the biggest storm we've had in quite a while. You can see the good thing is it pushes real easy. It's light snow. It's fluffy. It's not wet. So anyway, hope you enjoyed watching Linda and I here doing all this cleanup. We've got a little bit more to go, but for the most part, I think we're a little bit of shoveling, a little bit of snow blowing left. It's still only about, it's about 19 degrees, but nice sunny sky. And yeah, so we're going to have some nice days. And then Wednesday, Thursday, they're saying it's going to be up in the upper 40s. Go figure. And then it'll probably freeze up again. So this year's been a lot of ice. So anyway, I'm glad you stuck around as long as you did. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching us plow snow. I know my grandson loves watching the snow plow. Loves watching the light on top of the snow plow. So he'll get a kick out of this. So anyway, thanks again for watching, and we'll be back with some more videos later.